Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I just want to do a kind of a quick update, and this is more of where I'm at with the progress. Want to show you what delivery van brought me today, and they're quite heavy, but we'll see together because I haven't opened them yet. Because this is such a small garage, and I have to work around myself a little more here. Got, ta-da! I can tell what that is. And these will be, the name of these are called vehicle dollies. It's like casters. Put the a little more now. This casters and put it together. So this one of the things the delivery guy brought, and the other citric acid. I'm still going to try to use that on some of the rust spots, and such as the wheels and maybe that rusty fender and the smaller parts, and just see soaking what it will do. And the other thing I got is this is what I use for coating the rust to make sure it doesn't come back. It actually does changes the chemical makeup of it that turns it into a hard substance. And I think it's mostly what we got today from the delivery man. And shout out to Wayne. I've been wondering where in the world everybody was located. Wayne's from New Zealand down under, and he just made my day when he sent me a comment to say that he's been watching from New Zealand. So hello Wayne. All right, take care everybody. Bye. Well, it looks like they work, and I can move it around, move it out of the way. In this small garage, I'm not going to be able to do a 360 or anything, but at least I can push it over towards my sheetrock pile, or move it this way if I need to get to this side of the car. So I like them, and seems like they're a good investment. So thanks for watching.